Welcome back to the Mo Show, guys. I wanted to make this video to give you guys an update since my accident. So as soon as the crash happened, I ended up going to the hospital on Saipan, where they pretty much did their evaluation of me and deemed that my injuries were too substantial for what they could do there to treat me. So the only option was to medevac me back to Guam. Getting here and uncertain if I'm going to need surgery or not. Fortunately, I didn't need surgery. So I did spend about a week in the hospital here on Guam due to the fact that I did puncture my bladder, so I had slight internal bleeding, so I needed a blood transfusion. It's been a roller coaster ride of emotions, dealing with the pain and physical therapy, trying to actually get myself back to 100% to ride again. So right now I'm on the road to recovery, going to the gym, physical therapy, things like that. So as far as the upcoming season, I'm real optimistic about me being back on the bike here soon. I would honestly say I'm about 80–85% healed up. Still a little slight problem with my knee, but hopefully I can work through that with a little bit more physical therapy. So I always get asked, will this crash deter me from riding? And honestly, man, no, it's just part of the sport. When I signed up for this, I knew one day that, I would encounter something like this, and I'm sure this isn't the last time.
It's good to me. Wrap it up. Let's go.
But truly, I would like to thank everyone who was there by my side from the moment it happened up till now. I mean, the support that I've been having since this accident has been tremendous. So there you have it. I just want to give you guys an update on what's been going on since the accident. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. See you guys around. Mo Show out.